You should stop applying for unpaid internships in 2026. Brands like Flipkart, Zepto, Microsoft actively look for interns. And in 2026, if you're still doing an unpaid internship, then the problem is not the lack of opportunities. But in 2026, you are still following an outdated search strategy. So you should stop that now. Today, in this video, I will tell you how to use Internshala correctly to get a response and 3 guaranteed steps to land a paid internship in 2026, irrespective of if you are a first-year student, a graduate with a career gap, or are looking for a specific role in data science, finance, or tech. You will find an internship after watching this video. So let's start with the most important part. When should you actually start applying? There are 2 major internship hiring seasons, summer and winter. Most summer internships open between January and April. During this time, companies like Google, Microsoft, Nestle, and more start hiring interns for their flagship programs like Google Summer of Code, Microsoft Explore, and Internship. Even government offices and ministries also start hiring interns during this time. You can pause your screen here to look at some of the top brands and ministry that hire interns during this time. Internshala also runs Grand Summer Internship Fair and Quick Pocket Money internships, where thousands of opportunities are made available, especially for college students. And right now, this summer internship fair is live, featuring internships across 200 plus profiles. Top brands like Decathlon, Flipkart, Urban Company, and Amazon are hiring and offering stipends of up to 60,000 per month. And yes, many of these opportunities are open to first-year students and non-tech profiles like marketing and HR. Now, for students looking to intern during their winter break, then many companies open their hiring programs from August to November, like Infosys hires for internship, Adobe and Cisco hire for their Women in Tech internship programs, and even RBI hires interns for their summer placements. You can pause your screen now to take a look at the full list of companies and their typical hiring months. And if you want to dive deeper into specific opportunities, then I have already created 2 dedicated videos for you, the Government Internship Calendar and the Top Brand Internship Calendar, covering both tech and non-tech internships. So I will suggest you to go and watch those videos as well after this video. Aside from these big seasonal cycles, thousands of companies post openings throughout the year whenever they have a requirement. This is why registering on Internshala is a game changer for you, because we post nearly 10,000 new internships every single day. So now let's talk about how you actually find and land these internships. One of the most common ways is through your college placement cell. And even many companies visit colleges directly to hire interns. But here's the reality. These college placements are limited to tier 1 colleges. It may be the case that companies don't visit your college often, or the companies that you want to work with have not partnered with your college. So in this case, how will you get an internship? First, applying via referrals. This is the fast track method. Candidates who apply through referrals are likely to get hired 4 times faster. If you don't personally know someone at a company like Google or Zomato, then I will recommend you to reach out to alumni and seniors on LinkedIn. And instead of writing a generic message, then I will suggest you use this ChatGPT prompt to create a perfect, polite referral request that will actually get you a response. Second is company career pages. Almost every major brands, be it Google, Microsoft, IBM, both, post roles directly on their own websites. Flagship programs like Nestle Internship and Google Research Internships are only available on their websites. So pause your screen now and take a look on these top programs and their typical hiring cycles. I have covered these programs in detail in my brand internship calendar video. So make sure you check out that and subscribe to the Internshala channel so you do not miss daily openings. And finally, third and the most important ways to apply for internship today in 2026 is through Internshala. We are India's largest platform with over 1 lakh companies, including brands like PepsiCo, Amazon, and Flipkart, hiring specifically for college students and graduates. So whether you are into tech, marketing, HR, or even a niche field like acting or animation, there are more than 250 profiles waiting for you. And you can choose work from home, in-office, or part-time internships as per your preference. The best part is that Internshala has a strict policy. All internships must be paid, except for NGOs and volunteering. So no more working for free. Now let's get the most important part. The exact step-by-step process to apply and actually get hired via Internshala. First, head to internshala.com. Then sign up for free using your email ID. But here is where most students fail. You leave your profiles half empty. Companies use filters to find you. So to get noticed on Internshala, use Internshala's free resume builder to create your ATS-Friendly resume. Add your educational details, list your skills, and add any projects or certifications. And then set your preferred internship fields. Once your profile is ready, the next step will be finding the right internships. So use filters to narrow your search, such as use profile filter, job location, internship with PP or job offer, duration, and more. Since all the Internshala internships are paid, you can use the stipend filter to choose how much you would like to earn. Now, the step 3 is look for internships that match your skills, degrees, or interest, because companies prefer candidates who already have some basic knowledge of the field. Now, applying at Internshala is very easy, but getting a callback from the company is the real challenge. And here are the 3 steps that will ensure you that you get a guaranteed response from the company. Step 1 is that you have to stop saying, I have no experience. In 2026, companies want proof of work. If you are into marketing, then show them an Instagram page that you grew using Canva AI or Midjourney. And if you are in tech, then show a web page that you have built using tools like Replit or Emergent. Even 2 to 3 small projects can put you ahead of 90% of other applicants. Here's a pro tip. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. So don't use AI to write the entire content or code, because today everyone has access to the same tools and recruiters can easily spot your AI generated projects. Now the step 2, master domain specific AI. A lot of you already know that having relevant skills is important. We have talked about that multiple times. But here's what's changing in 2026. Today it is not about having skills. It is about learning the right AI tools for your field. So when an interviewer asks you about your AI skills, don't just say, I can use ChatGPT. Instead, learn Canva AI, Midjourney, or CapCut for image and video editing. Learn Copy.ai for content writing, and Replit and GitHub Copilot for tech roles. Now, if you're wondering where to learn these tools, then I will recommend Internshala's online courses. All these courses now include specific modules on these AI tools and industry-level projects to build your portfolio. Now, the step 3, that is the most important one, which is find what works for you and apply smartly. A lot of students don't apply for internships because they don't want to relocate because of college and other reasons. Well, you do not have to, because there are multiple options. On Internshala, you have work from home internships and city specific filters. So use these filters and you will find plenty of options. With that, I come to the end of the video. I hope now you know how you can find a paid internship in 2026. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful content. Until then, all the best.